Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your text wavy in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make text wavy in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then select the word art option and choose the word art text. Then write anything on this word art. Then click OK. Then click the text and go to the word art menu. Select the Change Shape option and we can see here the wave and we select it. Then resize the text. Now we can see we make our text wavy very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.